What's up, you guys? So this is my 2006 Infiniti G35. I'm coming at you guys with this video for help. This is the dashboard in case you guys see anything out the ordinary. I have this light right here, rev, slip, and VDC off. I'm not sure what that means. Rev and slip and VDC on stays on at all times. No matter if I'm driving, if I'm reverse, and if I'm in park, it doesn't matter. That will stay on. Yes, it's an automatic, you guys. So I'm telling you right now, so you guys don't give me shit about it, even though I know you guys are gonna give me shit, which is cool. I mean, a car is a car. I love this car. I mean, it has 84,000 miles. And this car runs perfect. It runs perfect when it starts. It hardly starts though. That's the thing. Rarely. Once in a blue moon, which I would love to have a blue moon right now, actually. Nice little beer on a spring in Arizona, you know. But anyways, let's get back to it. I'm gonna get thirsty thinking about that. But this is my issue, guys. It's just cranks, no start. Crank, no start. Cranks, no start. So to begin with, it's not my key, you guys. It's not my key because it is not showing the security light that it usually has. I mean, it would have been flashing right now and it would have gave me a red light there. Just so I can show you guys what I'm talking about is let me just go ahead and plug in my key right here, you guys. Give me a second. Sorry. So it's not my key, you guys. So if it was my key, let me see. I'm gonna put it on top of my roof and see if it doesn't sense it. Okay, it's not sensing it yet. So let me throw the key right there. I just threw my key right there. Look, you guys see that? Now it's not reading the key. So it's not a key issue where the security system does not allow the car to turn on. So it's not that, you guys, because I got my key back and obviously the security light for the key is gone. So it's not that. But yeah, like I said, I changed camshaft 1, camshaft 2, bank 1, bank 2. Crankshaft position sensor, I changed that. I changed my fuel pump, my fuel regulator. I changed all 6 spark plugs. What else did I change? Oh, I've also got recommended to change the ECU, you guys. They said that could have been a problem, so I changed my ECU. I got it reprogrammed, got my key programmed to my ECU, got the VIN number set up to match my car with the ECU, and it still gave me the same issue, you guys, the same problem. So I mean, like I said, when it starts, it runs good, man. It runs awesome. I could go 400 miles driving the car without stopping. The car will be in perfect condition. It'll run. As soon as I turn off the car, it's giving me the same issue again, which I'm gonna go ahead and do. Which it just doesn't start. Doesn't have check engine lights at all, you guys. So that's what's hard to find out what my issue is, because I mean, I can't figure it out. I've tried and tried, you guys. I mean, I've checked all the sensors. There's nothing there. I mean, I've tried checking my best for any grounds throughout the car, and I can't find anything. I can't find anything, you guys. It's fucking driving me crazy. Excuse my language. But I literally tried so much with this car. I don't want to give it away. I don't want to sell it. I'm hoping that one of you guys would be good faith and give me a solution to my car's problem. Like I said, I've changed several parts, which I'm gonna go ahead and repeat to you guys. Camshaft 1, camshaft 2, crankshaft position sensor, my fuel regulator, my fuel pump, all 6 spark plugs. I changed my ECU, and I literally cannot figure out what the hell it might be. So if you guys can really help me out here, you guys, I'm desperate to drive my car and have it ready and fix it. I mean, I haven't got it car washed because I want to start it. I want it to be ready to go. I want it to have a good start, have no problems, no issues. But like I said, when I drive the car, it drives perfect. It drives perfect. It's a good girl. But I can't seem to find the issue to this problem. I don't want to keep cranking it to have it to start and drive it. That's not a car. That's not what you're supposed to do, is just keep cranking until it starts. So should start the first time after cranking it. And it doesn't do that, you guys. So, I did go to the dealer. I did get a diagnostic for it to the Infiniti dealer, and they recommended me to get a new key, which I don't see why I would need a new key if I've started the car before. And it's turned on perfectly fine when I've started it. It ran good. It doesn't have the security light, which would be there right here, and sometimes if it's the key, this would be blinking. It would not stop blinking if that was the issue with the key. But it's not that. The dealer did say it was my key. I would need a new key, and also they recommended me that I need to replace the shift assembly, which I don't see why I would need to replace this. Obviously that's not there. It's broken. I could drive it. I just push this down and go to whatever. I'll go ahead and do that right now. Look, it turns neutral, drives. But when a car is on, it drives perfect. When I need it to be in park, it's in park. When I need it to be in reverse, it's in reverse, and it goes reverse. When I have it in neutral, it'll stay in neutral. When I put it in drive, it'll drive. So I don't know the issue. Like I said, these lights stay on all the time. This is an automatic car, you guys. Rev stays on, slip stays on, VDC off stays on. There's no check engine lights. So that's not the issue. So if you guys can please help me out and figure out my issue here, because man, I've gone through hell and back with this car. And the dealer did say I need a new key and a new shift assembly. I don't see why. I've told that to 3 different mechanics and told them that the dealer recommended me to do that, and they said, why would you need to do that? I don't see the problem to that. Which the dealer does have special machines, special computers to detect anything, but that's a costly price, a costly fix. They're charging me $1,600 to fix that issue. The shifter assembly and get a new key and getting it reprogrammed and everything. That's pricey, you guys. Man, I cannot afford that right now, and I just need this car to start the first time I crank it, get it running every time, first crank start. So if you guys can really help me out, you guys, I would appreciate that so much. I swear, I promise you guys, if you guys throw me a solution and it works, I promise you guys I will cash app you. I swear to God, I will cash app you. I don't swear in the Lord's vain, which I just did, but I promise you guys I will cash app you if you guys find a solution to my vehicle. I've tried everything, you guys. I've tried everything. So if you guys can really help me out, I would love that, you guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. I look forward to hearing from you guys. My email is jorgelopez3991@gmail.com. I will put that in my description as well. And as far as that goes, please comment, because I will be checking daily on my comments for the solution to this problem. I mean, like I said, you guys give me a solution, it works. First person that tells me the solution, I promise you guys I will Cash App you $100 into your Cash App, straight out. I promise you guys. And I'm not kidding. Thank you, you guys.